Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken malai curry. So let's get started with the recipe. In a bowl here I've taken 1 kilograms of chicken. These are in-bone chicken pieces. I have added 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and I'm going to mix it well. I'll marinate this chicken now for 15 minutes in the refrigerator. I've taken a pan. I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil. I've kept the flame on medium low. I'll wait till the oil heats up. Now I'm going to add in my marinated chicken pieces. I'll fry for 3 minutes on one side and then flip it. Okay, as you can see, I flipped the chicken pieces and I'll fry it now for another 3 minutes. My chicken pieces are now well fried. I'm going to remove it into a plate and keep it aside and rest it for 15 minutes. Now here I've taken a pressure cooker. You can use any kind of pot or pan. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. I'll allow the oil to heat up. I've kept the flame on low. Now I'll temper the oil with whole spices, 2 bay leaves, 3 dried red chilies, 8 to 10 cloves, 6 green cardamoms, and a 2-inch of cinnamon stick. I'll saute the spices for roughly 10 seconds. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of onion paste. I'll cook this paste until light brown on medium flame. The onion paste is now browned. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell is gone. My ginger garlic paste is cooked. I'm adding in 1 cup of tomato puree or tomato paste and mix it well. Now I'll add in the spices. I've added in 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and you can add salt according to your taste and blend it in. I'll add in 1/4 cup of water so that my spices does not burn and wait till the oil separates. I've kept the flame on low during this whole time. Now I'm adding in the fried chicken pieces and I'm going to cook it with the tomato mixture. Add in the juices as well. Mix it in and wait till the chicken oozes out water. You can cover and cook as well. I've kept the flame on medium. As you can see, the chicken has oozed out its water. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. I'll mix it well with the chicken. I'll let it come to a boil and now I'll lower the flame and stir in 1 cup of milk. I'm now going to pressure cook this chicken for 2 whistles. You can also cover and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. The chicken looks well done. Do try it at home and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel.